Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial video. Today's tutorial is based on how to add celebrities on Snapchat. So I'll be guiding you throughout this video. All you have to do is make sure to watch the video till the end. So before getting started, also make sure that you've updated your Snapchat application to the latest version. And in case if you haven't updated, then make sure to head towards the device's Play Store and then update the application to the latest version. So after updating your application, also make sure to check your internet connection. So I'll be showing you different methods on how you can add celebrities on Snapchat, so you can follow any of these methods. So without any further delay, let us get started. So first of all, open up your Snapchat application. So there's no different method to add celebrities on Snapchat. So the process is similar as how you add other people or normal people on your Snapchat, or how you add friend on Snapchat. So first of all, what you have to do is make sure to know their correct user ID or the Snapchat ID. After you open up your Snapchat, in the top left corner of your screen, you can see a search tool or a magnifying icon. Simply tap on it. Next, you'll have to type in your username. As I've already mentioned before, make sure to enter the correct username, and then all you have to do is, after you find the user ID, tap on the add button and they'll be added on your Snapchat. So after that, the second method is, what you can do simply is that all you have to do is go back to your home screen and then open up any web browser that is convenient for you. So after you open up your web browser, on the search box type in celebrity username on Snapchat, and you can even type in their name along with this sentence. So after you type in, on the other page you have a list of IDs that is on Snapchat, so you can find the user ID of the celebrity that you actually want to add on Snapchat. Unfortunately, not many celebrities are on Snapchat, so you might not be able to find all of them or the person that you're looking for. After you type in, you can see right on top there is a list of results. So from here you can copy paste the username. So after that, the another method what you can do is simply tap on the image icon on the web browser page. Now you have a list of codes. What you can do is you can simply download this QR code, and after that you can scan this and you'll be able to find a username, or you'll be able to add them on Snapchat. So other thing what you can do is you can simply copy their code. So after that you'll be able to add them on Snapchat. So those were the few methods on how you can add celebrities on Snapchat. So that is how simple it is to add celebrities on Snapchat. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.